What are both of you doing, Avalokana and Akshara?
We are playing with the slime.
Slime, is it? Is it pink slime?
Pink slime. Some people not say what color is slime.
Of course it's slime, no, Avalokana? Is it sticky slime or is it nice, fun slime?
It's fun slime, but we are trying to make a bubble.
Make a bubble. Okay, I understand now.
Whoa, whoa. I saw one hole there, so that's why we yeah.
Slime. Okay. So what's your plan for the day? You want to learn some math? Akshara, you want to learn some math? No math. Avalokana, what about you?
Yeah.
Maybe math little later. Now you play with Akshara slime. No, baby?
How can we learn math? I really love math. It's so fun.
Okay, I'll give you a question. Can I give both of you a question?
Yeah.
Okay. What is 7 plus 5?
They'll get the point who answer it first.
Yeah, but whoever doesn't know, the person who knows has to teach the person who doesn't know. Is that... If you answer it first, you have to teach Akshara. How did you get 7 plus 5? Can we play that game? Okay, cool. What is 7 plus 5? They're thinking. Which class are you in, Akshara? You're in LKG, no? UKG, okay, cool.
No, her mom was saying she's in play school.
Okay, UKG in which school, Akshara? Which school do you go to?
Little Miliana.
Little Miniana?
That's a Miliana.
Little Millennium,
Mom
okay.
is saying she's in play school.
She's only in play school.
Oh, she's only in play school, huh? Okay. Then Avalokana, maybe
So
you...
That's 1 plus 1 and all to her.
1 plus 1, 2.
Ah,
Very good.
I also know that's right.
Avalokana, what is 7 plus 5? That was your question.
That was mine?
Yeah.
Both of us.
Okay, both of you answer it and teach Akshara. Avalokana, answer it, no? She's teaching you, no, Akshara? What is the answer? 2. Huh? Avalokana, doing it on purpose. You. What's the real answer? Everyone will think you don't know. What is it, Akshara?
1.
7 plus 5 is not 1. What is 7 plus 5?
It's always 2. I can't.
Avalokana, this is so silly. You've forgotten 7 plus 5?
7 plus. Plus. I thought it's minus.
Okay.
So.
Okay. So what is 7 plus 5?
13.
This is Avalokana, so bad. So bad.
I thought it's minus 9.
No, baby, 7 plus 5 is not 13, baby. That's close, but that's not correct. Yes. You got a little distracted. No, that's fine. You can play around with numbers.
I thought it was minus, so.
I understand. But then even in plus, you told me it's 13. Avalokana. But you got the right answer finally. No, baby? Akshara, you know how she did 7 plus 5? Avalokana, you want to teach her?
Yeah.
Okay,
So
teach
you
her.
should do 7 in the 9. 5.
Slowly, baby. Let her understand.
7 in your 9. 5 in your 9. 5 in your 9. 7, 8, 9, 10.
You're very good, Akshara. Awesome.
I don't have 12 fingers. I have 20 fingers. We have 10 fingers, okay?
Yeah.
No, I have 20 fingers.
10 toes as well, huh? 10 toes as well.
Yeah, that's not 20 fingers. That's 10 toes, 10 hands. So it makes 10
Okay, now,
equals
now,
20.
correct.
But it's different body parts.
Yeah, you're right. Avalokana. Madam, can you teach Akshara how to do 7 plus 5?
Bum, bum.
Oh, yo.
Bum,
Avalokana.
bum, 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 bum.
Come, Akshara, you also come here. You want to sit there itself? Okay, fine, that's fine. Okay, Avalokana 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. Teach Akshara, no baby?
7 in the mind, 5 in the hand.
Okay, Akshara, she's saying 7 in the mind, 5 in the hand. Okay, then you have
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is the answer? I don't have. Then I give her a hard one.
Don't give her a hard one, give her an easier one. She's younger than you, give her an easier one. Give her
2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4.
superb.
4 plus 4. 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8. I don't know.
You're saying 8 plus 8, Avalokana, you're giving her a difficult one. You're giving her a difficult one.
She knew that the 4 plus 4, she knew 8, so I should give her 8 plus 8.
Avalokana, 8 plus 8 you can't count in the fingers, no? 4 plus 4 you can count in the fingers. So 4 plus 4 is easy. 8 plus 8 is a little difficult. She's playing just like you.
Okay,
So Akshara, you know what she's saying? She's saying,
the answer is 16.
yeah, the answer is 16.
What's 16?
Avalokana loves numbers. What do you love, Akshara? You like words? She likes dancing also. You like dancing, Akshara? Ah, Avalokana likes dancing too.
Why did you put me to dance class?
Big-
Because I always
Okay, let Akshara talk. What were you saying, Akshara? You like?
I broke my dress actually.
Avalokana, I'm videotaping this, sir. Don't be like all silly, yeah?
Okay. I like. Thank you everyone. My name is Avalokana.
Okay, Akshara, what were you saying? You like?
I like silly dances.
Silly dances. Avalokana used to do silly dances in front of herself in the mirror. So we thought maybe it's a good idea for her to actually go for dance class, you know. Yeah, she loves to dance. Okay, Avalokana, say bye to the camera. Akshara, say bye to the camera. Bye.
Bye.